to this video tutorial. In this video, we're going to have a look of how to use the assembly in SolidWorks. In order to begin the assembly, I have to go here, select New, select Assembly, select OK. Now, another way to open the assembly is while I am in the part environment, in the part mode. What I mean by that? If I open a part in SolidWorks, if I already finish my part, I can go here direct to New and select Assembly. So any open document in the background is in this rectangle here. For example, if I open the rest of them, you'll be noticed that they appear here. So once you open all of your parts, any part that are running in the background is going to appear here in this rectangular white background at the left hand side. You can insert the parts by selecting them, left click, don't press anything, and just place them anywhere you want. Now be aware that if you put them just in a random place in the graphic area, they're not going to have any relation with anything. So if this part is your base, for example, press Escape, insert components. My base here is this rectangular shape. If the part that you are using is going to be your base, you have to go here, Feature Manager, Design Tree, expand this arrow and select Origin. So now this base is attached to the origin, is exactly in the center of my graphic environment and not just in a random place. So in the next tutorial we're gonna see how we can insert more parts and adding relations. Thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial.